The Discovery program is a series of solar system exploration missions funded by the U.S. National Aeronautics and Space Administration through its Planetary Missions Program Office. The cost of each mission is capped at a lower level than missions from NASA's New Frontiers or flagship programs. As a result, Discovery missions tend to be more focused on a specific scientific goal rather than serving a general purpose. The Discovery program was founded in 1990 to implement the policy of the then NASA Administrator, Daniel S. Golden, of faster, better, cheaper planetary science missions. Existing NASA programs had specified mission targets and objectives in advance, then sought bidders to construct and operate them. In contrast, Discovery missions are solicited through a call for proposals on any science topic and assessed through peer review. Selected missions are led by a scientist called the principal investigator and may include contributions from industry, universities or government laboratories. The Discovery program also includes missions of opportunity, which fund U.S. participation in spacecraft operated by other space agencies. For example, by contributing a single scientific instrument. It can also be used to repurpose an existing NASA spacecraft for a new mission. As of June 2021, the most recently selected Discovery missions were Veritas and Da Vinci Plus, the 15th and 16th missions in the program. In 1989, NASA's Solar System Exploration Division began to define a new strategy for solar system exploration up to the year 2000. This included a small mission program group that investigated missions that would be low-cost and allow focused scientific questions to be addressed in shorter time than existing programs. The result was a request for rapid studies of potential missions, and NASA committed funding in 1990. The new program was called Discovery. The panel assessed several concepts that could be implemented as low-cost programs, selecting Near Shoemaker, which became the first launch in the Discovery program on February 17, 1996. The second mission, Mars Pathfinder, launched on December 4, 1996, carried the Sojourner rover to Mars. These provide opportunities to participate in non-NASA missions by providing funding for a science instrument or hardware components of an instrument, or for an extended mission for a spacecraft that may differ from its original purpose. However often the funding comes in, there is a selection process with perhaps 24 concepts. These sometimes get further matured and reproposed in another selection or program. An example of this is Suez-Uri mission, which was passed over in favor of the successful Stardust mission, but was eventually flown as Genesis, while a more extensive mission similar to InSight was flown as Juno in the New Frontiers program. Some of these concepts went on to become actual missions, or similar concepts were eventually realized in another mission class. This list is a mix of previous and current proposals. Additional examples of Discovery-class mission proposals include: the first two Discovery missions were Near-Earth Asteroid Rendezvous and Mars Pathfinder. These initial missions did not follow the same selection process that started once the program was underway. Mars Pathfinder was salvaged from the idea for a technology and EDL demonstrator from the Mars Environmental Survey program. One of the goals of Pathfinder was to support the Mars Surveyor program. Later missions would be selected by a more sequential process involving announcements of opportunity. In the case of Near, a working group for the program recommended that the first mission should be to a near-Earth asteroid. A series of proposals limited to missions to a near-Earth asteroid missions was reviewed in 1991. What would be the Near spacecraft mission was formally selected in December 1993, after which began a 2-year development period prior to launch. Near was launched on February 15, 1996, and arrived to orbit asteroid Eros on February 14, 2000. Mars Pathfinder launched on December 4, 1996, and landed on Mars on July 4, 1997, bringing along with it the first NASA Mars rover, Sojourner. In August 1994, NASA made an announcement of opportunity for the next proposed Discovery missions. There were 28 proposals submitted to NASA in October 1994. In February 1995, Lunar Prospector, a lunar orbiter mission, was selected for launch. 3 other missions were left to undergo a further selection later in 1995 for the 4th Discovery mission, Stardust, Suisuri, and Venus Multiprobe, Stardust, a comet sample return mission, was selected in November 1995 over the 2 other finalists. In October 1997, NASA selected Genesis and Contour as the next Discovery missions, out of 34 proposals that were submitted in December 1996. The 5 finalists were, in July 1999, NASA selected Messenger and Deep Impact as the next Discovery Program missions. Messenger was the first Mercury orb